Hello guys, so welcome to my channel again, and I'm Lolly as usual. Welcome to Lolliqueen zone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if not. So this is our second video on skin types and acne. And before we even start, let's get some things straight. I'm going to mention a lot of terms here, not too much though, but you may not be familiar with it. So please feel free and feel at liberty to read the description box, because I'm going to put the definition in there. I can't define everything as I say it, so I'm gonna put them in the description box, and please do well to go in there and read it if you don't understand anything. I'm treating acne today. So acne, also called pimples, is the most common type of skin disease. So acne can manifest as Comedones, that's Whiteheads and Blackheads, and these are called closed Comedones and open Comedones respectively. It can also manifest as Nodules, or it can also manifest as Cysts, sometimes even as deep pustules. So there are three basic types of acne. We have the acne vulgaris, acne conglobata, and acne rosacea. I'm focusing on acne vulgaris today. Is the least severe form of acne, and this is what a lot of people have. So acne vulgaris affects the pilosebaceous units. Pilosebaceous units are the hair follicle and the sebaceous glands. Okay, so sebaceous glands secrete sebum or oil onto our skin. So acne vulgaris affects pilosebaceous glands, and it manifests as whiteheads and blackheads and inflammations. So because it affects the pilosebaceous units, it loves to erupt at oil-rich surfaces, predominantly on your skin, because your skin has a lot of sebaceous glands. So it likes to be on your skin, and to a lesser extent on your chest, on your shoulders, and on your back. Sebaceous sebum production is actually influenced by androgen, and because androgens are increased during teenage or when individuals are attaining their secondary characteristics, people or individuals, teenagers usually get a lot of acne. So it's so not common to find a lot of teenagers who have acne, and because this is somehow influenced by androgen, males tend to have the most severe form of the acne because they possess the androgens. Is theirs. Women have just a little bit of androgens in them, and then it also affects people with oily skin because they produce excess of sebum. So these are the major group of people that are affected by acne vulgaris. So let's dive a little into how this whole process happens. The hormone called testosterone is going to cause overproduction of keratin in your hair follicle or the canal of the pores, and this is going to cause blockage of the canal. This particular hormone actually is also going to cause enlargement of the sebaceous glands, and because the sebaceous glands are enlarged, that means they're going to produce a lot more of sebum, and it can also block this sebum can also block your pores. This explains why acne is more common in people with oily skin, teenagers and males, because they are producing a lot of sebum. And so if this tells us that if you have a higher level of testosterone, then you have an increased likelihood of getting your pores blocked either by keratan or by overproduced sebum. That means you're going to develop acne. And when actually after you have developed this comedones and blocked your pores, what is going to happen next is you have a normal commensal, a bacteria in your skin, that is normal, and it lives in the follicular ostium or the hair follicle. That's where it lives. Okay, so it's also an anaerobe, so it means that it doesn't really like oxygen. So when you have your pores blocked now, it means that you're going to have a lesser concentration of oxygen at where the pore is. Okay, so it means it likes it that way, it likes oxygen for the environment. So it means that it can have its freedom to produce and cause a lot more distraction and cause a lot more inflammation. And this bacterium is called Propionibacterium acne or Fucibacterium acne, also called Corynebacterium acne. So even though the onset of acne tells you that you have an increased level of testosterone, the severity and the progression of acne is actually multifactorial. It means that a lot of things can be genetics, the environment, the chemicals you are exposed to, a lot of it comes together. But please note that no food causes acne. No food causes acne, okay? So it's multifactorial, and the kind of products you use is that people with acne, actually the increased blood level of testosterone that causes these patients to have acne, but it's actually how the skin metabolizes them. So there is this enzyme called 5-alpha reductase that's in the skin, and it kind of breaks testosterone into its more potent form called dihydrotestosterone. And people with acne actually have an increased activity of that particular enzyme, causing that means you're going to have a more loss of more potent testosterone, which is going to work on your sebaceous glands and cause you to get a lot of acne. So to the treatment of acne, if you have a less severe form of acne, you're going to need only topical medications like retinoids or preparations with benzoyl peroxide and topical antibiotics. But if you have a moderate to severe form of acne, then you're going to need systemic antibiotics that are going to kill this bacteria that's in your hair follicle that's causing you to have more inflammation. That's the Corynebacterium acne. So you're going to need this systemic antibiotic. But in addition to your topical medications that you'll be using, but you see a lot of patients have been treated with spectrum antibiotics, so they have intestinal candidiasis. So if intestinal candidiasis is present, it means that you have to be treated for that before you can be treated with a systemic antibiotic. And you also have to take dietary supplements to support your skin heal better, like vitamin A, vitamin E. It helps your skin to look and heal better. And acne actually takes about 4 to 6 weeks. And acne actually takes about 4 to 6 months to treat it. It takes about 4 to 6 months to treat. So if somebody is telling you that buy this particular product and it's going to clear acne in 3 days or a week, please don't fall for it. Acne takes a longer time than that to treat. It takes 4 to 6 months average to treat. You can push it for about 3 months to 6 months to treat acne. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, you were educated and informed. I love educating you guys and sharing what I know with you. So if you loved this video and you love me and you love the channel, Kindly give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know in the comment section what you've been able to learn. And see you another time. Stay cool, stay awesome, okay? God be with you. Love you all so very much.